We have so many babies and they're so happy and they're swimming.
These are the babies in question, which grow into this species of brain coral. This moment is actually a really big deal and a result of the multi-year partnership between the Cal Academy and Roatán Marine Park. This population of groove brain coral was hit by a record heat wave in 2023, which caused massive coral bleaching and devastating losses to the reef. So the coral gametes this scientist is holding represents the first spawn this population has produced in 2 years.
Congratulations! It's a gamete!
This June, Academy scientists traveled to Roatán, a small island off the coast of Honduras, to meet with their counterparts at Roatán Marine Park. They had 2 goals. First, to commemorate the grand opening of the Coral Restoration Center Roatán, and second, to actually start using it by collecting wild coral gametes to bring into the lab and spawn. Checking off the first goal was actually the easier of the two. The Coral Restoration Center Roatán was modeled after the Academy's Coral Regeneration Lab. R&P and Academy partners got the plumbing ready, pumped in seawater from right outside the facility, and made sure the Coral Lab was in tip-top shape for those little coral babies.
Walking in here for the first time to see the new facility during the ribbon cutting ceremony I just felt so happy for the R&P team.
Extremely exciting and we're very proud, and especially having these.
It was really meaningful to play any part in supporting all of that.
The second goal was more up to chance. By collecting wild coral gametes to bring into the lab, the scientists could give the coral a fighting chance by figuring out the best ways to rear healthy coral to outplant back into the reef. Groove brain coral only spawn a few times a year under the most perfect conditions, so missing the spawning window means the researchers would have to wait another year to collect the gametes. Fortunately, after 3 nights of trips out to the reef, the corals decided to spawn on night 4.
Hoy es la noche. Tonight is the night.
Nets were put over each coral colony to safely collect the gametes as they floated into test tubes at the top. After gamete collection, it's back to the lab where scientists induced fertilization and gave the embryos a higher chance of survival before outplanting them into the reef. All this effort seemed to pay off because about a week later, R&P reported that 3,000 baby corals were ready to be outplanted.
We have a responsibility, and not only to ask of people to care or ask people to give a damn about our reefs. We have a responsibility to create spaces, experiences, so that people can have the same love and respect that we have for those ecosystems. I think it's something that requires a lot of understanding the community you are part of, and something that we should not deprioritize as scientists or as coral restoration practitioners.